a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for mutual waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 1:45 a.m. At 11:47 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles west of McHenry to 14 nautical miles northwest of Elgin, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the forecast for the